sabi nila, si Kristo daw ay Diyos. Dahil Jesus Christ is from heaven. Mayroon naman, Jesus Christ is from God. Ang dami nga from heaven. Mga kapatid, tingnan nyo. Sa 2 Kings, chapter 1, verse 14. And came fire from heaven. And came fire from heaven. So, ang fire pala, Diyos din ninyo. Dahil galing yan sa heaven. 2 Kings 1, chapter 1, verse 14. Ano pa? And 2 Samuel 22, verse 14. The Lord thundered from heaven, and the Most High uttered His voice. Ang thunder from heaven. Ay, Diyos din ninyo ang heaven. Diyos din pala ninyo ang thunder. Kaya ang thunder, it's from heaven. Kung sabihin mo, it's from God, evil spirit from God. 1 Samuel chapter 16, verse 15, and Saul's servant said unto him, Behold, now and the evil spirit from God troubleth thee. 1 Samuel chapter 16, verse 23, and it come to pass when the evil spirit from God was upon Saul. Job 20:29. This is the portion of the wicked man from God. And the angel Gabriel sent from God. Luke 1:26. Kung it's from God, and it's from heaven, meaning God, ay pala ang thunder pala at ang apoy ninyo ay Diyos dahil galing sila sa langit. From God. Ay dami, kahit si Juan Bautista from God. Angel from God. So, intindihin ninyo kung magbasa kayo ng Biblia, mga kapatid. It does not mean Jesus Christ is God because He is from God. He is from heaven. Naku naman. Thank you.